Have you ever wondered, how does the biggest size of Dior Homme Intense look like? Well, you came to the right video. Hello man, I'm Gyaldam. I'm gonna unbox Dior Homme Intense, the 150 ml version. It's the biggest version you can buy of this fragrance.
What a nice box. You guys can see all that shit. Made in France, Paris, France, Christian Dior. All the information at the bottom. Eau de parfum, 150 ml, natural spray. Other side of the box.
So here it is, Dior Homme Intense. The box is a very cool bee in the box. Hopefully you guys can see that. Maybe not. Boom. Very beautiful. Dior Homme Intense. You can see that this is like a really hard rubber plastic. You can see in the light that you can even see through it, and it makes it a bit grayish. I really like the color. It's like a light yellow. Maybe with maceration and time, it'll become a darker yellow. So as you can see, 150 ml. That same bee is again on top. Yeah, smells so nice. But that's it, 150 ml in my hand. I have pretty big hands. You can see the footprint. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, press a like, comment down below, and also subscribe and put on notifications, please and thank you. And stay tuned for more videos like this, more unboxings, and also the full review coming soon.